to CADD Nest. I am Pavitra. This video is to launch our new playlist, The Tip for Teachers. Education empowers youth. The function of education is to teach one to think intensively and to think critically. Intelligent plus character. That is the goal of true education. And for that, we need well-qualified teachers. It's not the same way teachers deliver the teaching. Teaching has taken a wide evolution nowadays due to pandemic situations. Before pandemic we had a traditional approach of classroom teaching where we had one-to-one conversation with students and easy learning and delivery of information to students was effective. But now it's a virtual class and virtual teaching. But students and teachers have developed a mindset to adopt e-learning. And let's update our knowledge with the help of this playlist. This playlist is dedicated to all those potential learners who is eager to learn new things. In this playlist, we will look at different sides of teaching along with learning. Are you willing to learn new things? Subscribe to our new channel and enjoy learning. Thank you. Bye. See you again.